Babe, I think I left my mat in the Prius. Grab back.
Okay.
Hey,
Hey.
what is this?
Oh. It's just a little kombucha. Is there a problem?
What, is my kombucha not good enough for you?
Honey, your kombucha's... It's really tangy. And not fizzy. And kind of weak sauce.
Okay.
Is she Kombu cheating on you? Then it's time to step up your game. Learn how to make kombucha the right way by attending a Fermenters Club DIY kombucha workshop. You'll learn how to brew kombucha properly and safely, how to create winning flavor combinations, how to get maximum fizz, and other techniques, tips, and tricks the pros use.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, how's it?
It's the best kombucha I've ever had.
The best?
The best. You nailed it.